Kenya loses millions every year to roofing mistakes that could have been avoided. From leaking ceilings to rusting mabati, I have seen dream homes turn into disasters, all because of errors made during construction. Today, I will reveal the 3 common roofing mistakes in Kenya and exactly how you can fix or avoid them before they cost you a fortune. Not long ago, a client in the diaspora called me in distress. She had invested in building her retirement home in Kiambu. Everything looked perfect until heavy rains came. When we inspected, we found out that the fundis had made 3 classic mistakes that many Kenyans unknowingly fall into. Let's break them down. Mistake number 1, wrong roof pitch. A roof that is too flat or poorly designed does not drain rainwater properly. And in Kenya's heavy rains, that's a recipe for disaster. The fix? Always calculate the correct slope for your roofing material. For example, tiles need a steeper slope than mabati sheets to avoid seepage. Mistake number 2, using low quality or counterfeit roofing sheets. We have seen cases where mabati begins rusting just months after installation because clients unknowingly bought substandard material. The fix? Only source from reputable suppliers. At Veewave Enterprises, we have learned the hard way that saving a little upfront often costs double in repairs later. That's why we connect our clients with verified, trusted suppliers every time. Mistake number 3, poor workmanship. This happens when installers use cheap nails instead of proper screws, overlap sheets wrongly, or fail to seal joints tightly. Even one small gap can let in rainwater and destroy your ceiling. The fix? Always hire professional installers with proven experience. At Veewave Enterprises, we supervise every step, and our clients get instant updates through photos, videos, and even live video calls, so nothing is left to chance. Back to our Kiambu client. We redesigned the roof pitch, replaced the substandard sheets with certified mabati, and supervised professional installation. The result? Her ceiling was safe, her home was secure, and most importantly, she finally had peace of mind even while living abroad. That's the difference between a costly mistake and a secure investment. In conclusion, whether you are in Kenya or abroad, don't let roofing mistakes drain your hard-earned money. At Veewave Enterprises, we offer comprehensive construction management services, from connecting you with the best service providers and suppliers to keeping you updated with instant reports and live supervision. We deliver your dream home on time and within budget. Subscribe to this channel for more insider construction and real estate tips in Kenya. And if you are in the diaspora looking for a trusted partner on the ground, reach out to us today. Let us make your dream home a reality without the costly surprises. This is Njeri from Veewave Enterprises, your trusted partner in building smarter, stronger, and stress-free in Kenya. Until next video, let's keep building excellence together.